Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared what is the difference between a list and a tuple in Python. In Python, both lists and tuples are used to store collections of values, but they have some differences. Mutability. Lists are mutable, which means that you can add, remove, or modify items after the list has been created. On the other hand, tuples are immutable, which means that once a tuple is created, you cannot add, remove, or modify items. Syntax. Lists are defined using square brackets, and items are separated by commas. Tuples, on the other hand, are defined using parentheses, and items are separated by commas. Here's an example of how to create a list and a tuple in Python. If you try to modify a tuple, you will get a type error. But you can modify a list without any issues. In general, you should use a list when you need to store a collection of items that you may want to modify, and a tuple when you need to store a collection of items that should not be modified. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.